One of the biggest troubles college students face today comes right after graduation, when they transition to having an internship or job. This can be difficult for students who haven't yet learned how to find or get the jobs that they want to have. West Virginia University's solution to this major learning gap is the Career Services Center. The Career Services Center, paired with the online website Handshake, provides valuable resources like resume templates, interview prep, and personal statement guidance to the students, along with providing events to connect them to hiring companies. All of this can be found on WVU's Career Services webpage or in Handshake, the online platform made to help college students find job opportunities. Handshake is a very great resource to use, but sometimes it can be overwhelming due to how much information it is throwing at you all at once. This will be a small guide on how to navigate Handshake. First, you will want to go to the Handshake webpage and to log in using your WVU Mix address. This will be the same login information that you use for your email or for WVU's portal system. Once you do this, you will be brought to the Handshake homepage, which is pictured here. While this webpage will show you a lot of opportunities that you may be interested in due to the preferences that you set on your account, WVU's opportunities are on its own webpage specifically. It can be reached by clicking the West Virginia University Career Center link pictured at the top of this slide. The two important aspects of this page are the scheduling appointments feature and the ability to RSVP for in-person campus events. WVU handles its career services meetings through Handshake's appointments system, which is very easy to walk through once you find it in this Appointments tab. This is where you can set up meetings to review any application material or practice interviewing with on-campus career service experts. You can do this through either an in-person meeting, or a newer option is to have these meetings through Zoom instead. Also on this page is a list of upcoming events that the Career Services Center has worked to create to either teach new skills that are helpful for landing jobs or are events that directly connect students to employers. Handshake is not the only place to find career resources, though, as WVU's Career Services has its own website as well. The Career Services website is a very streamlined collection of any resource you could need, or any questions that you may have on the services they offer. This is where you can find even more information on the appointment resources in Handshake before actually moving on to schedule anything. From topics such as how to act professionally for lunch interviews to understanding how to search for a job, the Career Services website has a guide that lists essential information to keep in mind while preparing to take important steps in your career. These all can be found by scrolling down a little bit on the Career Services homepage and are laid out with clear titles to help you find what you're looking for. If something you're looking for isn't directly listed here, there's a decent chance it can be found in the more comprehensive list of resources offered, which can be found through the bottom right link. One of the more useful items to students are the templates for creating resumes or personal statements. This can be very useful when looking for effective ways of communicating your skills and experience to potential employers, and they even have specialized templates depending on the field, such as a federal resume template or a STEM research-focused resume. All of these resources only make up a small portion of everything that is offered at Career Services, and it is truly worth spending some time looking around at what Career Services may be able to help you with when the time comes to apply to an internship or job.